case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2007 case heard by the Texas Courts of Appeals, USAA County Mutual Insurance Company was taken to court by Hayden P. Cook after his parked car was vandalized and the insurance company denied his claim due to a lack of collision coverage. Cook sued USAA for breach of contract, breach of duty of good faith and fair dealing, violation of Texas Insurance Code, and attorney's fees. The court ruled in favor of Cook, stating that USAA violated its obligation under the insurance policy and its duty of good faith and fair dealing, which led to Cook suffering actual damages. The court also found the attorney's fees awarded to be reasonable and necessary. USAA appealed the decision, but the judgment in Cook's favor was ultimately affirmed. The court upheld Cook's judgment for contract breach, good faith breach, Texas Insurance Code violation, and attorney's fees. USAA's arguments against the jury's findings and the evidence presented were overruled, and sufficient evidence supported the awarding of attorney's fees for the trial and appeal. USAA's extra-contractual claims and attorney's fee arguments remained unresolved.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class behind.